Get started building AI agents with a digital protege. I'm Scott Meyer from Chipp. Digital proteges are the perfect way for a business or individual to get started with AI. Now, digital proteges are perfect for people who are doing lots of communications. So this could be in marketing, it could be in sales, could be creating learning development material, or maybe handbooks for your team. The power of a digital protege is it learns how you speak and is able to create content for you. Every secretary needs a secretary. Every executive needs an executive assistant. So let's show you how to build your company's first digital protege right now. The digital protege will come when you sign up with Chipp, so you'll see it on your dashboard. You can also go to the marketplace, app.chipp.ai/explore, or clicking on the marketplace here. And here you can find all of the templates. So you just have to search for protege and then click on the little guy with the sailor hat here. Once you click on it, you can take a peek and you can duplicate this template to add it to your workspace. The digital protege is quick to update and allows you to quickly create content. On the right is what you'll see when you're using the digital protege. As always, you can click the share button to share with people on your team. So we're going to create a digital protege for my company. I might rename it, so digital protege for Chipp in my example. You could put your own name there. And remember, we train our agents on two places, on the instructions and on the knowledge. On the instructions, it's pre-built here to actually be quite ready for you. You can always go in and add details. The main areas you might want to edit is the type of output you're looking to have. You can see some examples that are already in the template. So it's asking if you want a blog or an email, a LinkedIn post. And then again, when it starts asking you a question right here, it's going to ask those same questions. It can handle anything you want to give it without changes, but if you know you're going to use it for certain types of content, you can prepare it for that by putting that in. Now, the main area you're going to want to update is the examples. So down here, what you want to do is just paste in examples of the type of content you're going to want it to create. AI is amazing at mimicking what you do. I always say AI is the world's best cover band. So if you put an example of a YouTube summary here, it'll actually create future YouTube summaries that sound the same, use the same writing level, and the same emoji quality. You could do the same thing with blog posts or research reports or customer emails, and literally just copy and paste one or two in there. You don't need a lot of examples. Since we're doing this for the company, I could paste in a good customer email that I've generated from Chipp, and then all of the other sales associates or marketing assistants can create them quickly and right on tone. So I think about AI really lifting the floor. Everyone can work at average or above average in seconds because you've prepared this for them. So the first thing you want to do is change those examples. You can read through the instructions and maybe even get it more specific. So for example, it says you're a skilled assistant. You could tell it to be, a sales associate for Scott Meyer Inc. if you want to. Now, after we've added the instructions, the next thing we need to do is add knowledge sources. This is a fast way to teach it how you talk or to give it background information. Most likely, you're going to want to start with a website. You can just click on URL, put in your website here, and then if you want to, you can crawl the entire website. That means it'll learn everything about your company and how you speak on your website. So that's a really quick way to train it as well. You can add other information as you saw on that pop-up. If you have documents, reports, maybe you have YouTube videos you've created, it'll learn how you speak from all of those. So you don't need a lot of them, but you could add a few to get ready. And then your protege is ready to use. So on the right, you'll see your agent and you can test it out. Any edits you need to make, you can just go to the left and change the instructions. You can have that conversation here. When you're ready, you can just click on the black share link, put that into your browser or send it to your colleagues, and they'll be able to start chatting as well. So everyone on your team now has a protege that can create content, can export it to PDFs and Word documents, and can help you. Everyone deserves an assistant. Your digital protege is here to help you do just that. Now, if you want to integrate your protege elsewhere in your company, just click on share. You can embed it as an iframe, so it'll live on a website or as a little bubble. Some people will put it into a company CRM or on the backside of their website. Those are all possible for you. If you're more of a WhatsApp user, you can actually connect it in and chat with your protege across platforms. Can't wait to see how you use your new assistant and your digital protege template.